March 22, and our scripture for today is 1 John chapter 4, verse 2 to 3. This is how you can recognize the Spirit of God. Every spirit that acknowledges that Jesus Christ has come in the flesh is from God, but every spirit that does not acknowledge Jesus is not from God. This is the spirit of the Antichrist, which you have heard is coming and even now is already in the world. Maligayang araw sa atin lahat. Ako si Aaron Janel Nimbang. Itong aking daily devotion para sa araw na to. At ang tatalakayin nating paksa ay ano ang kahalagahan ng pagiging tao ni Kristo, and what is Docetism. So Docetism is yung heresy that denies Jesus' humanity, claiming he only appeared human while being purely divine, rejecting his real suffering and incarnation. So yung problema dito, yung sinasabi is, naniniwala ni sila na si Yesu Cristo ay nagmukhang, it seemed human, but was totally divine, purely divine in aspect talaga. Yung pinakabuong, kumbaga, hindi siya nag-incarnate into a human being, or di siya naging tao, di siya naging flesh, kundi nagmukha lang na balat ng tao, pero he is divine fully, no? So, let's look at the teachings. Na una, mga katuturan natin is, Jesus is truly God and truly man. Alam natin na si Yesu Cristo, si Yesu Cristo na pinaniwala na pinananampalataya natin, ay parehas na tao at Diyos, no? Alam natin na siya ay Diyos at siya ay tao. He reincarnated himself into a human being and is also a divine being as well, no? He's God and truly man. Sa ganun, sunod na kailangan natin intindihin ay Jesus' divinity and humanity secure our salvation, no? First of all, yung sa pagdating sa salvation, dapat kinikilala natin ang totoong anyo kung paano rini-reveal ni Kristo ang kanyang sarili. So, rini-reveal niya ang kanyang sarili bilang tao at Diyos. So, pag kinikilala natin sa Kristo bilang tao lamang, mali ang pinapanampalataya natin, dahil hindi iyon ang sinasabi ng Biblia na kung ano si Yesu Cristo. Pag sinasabi rin natin o pinatama at pag pinanampalatayaan natin ang naniniwala tayong Diyos lang o Diyos si Kristo, siya yun lamang at hindi naging tao, ay ibang Yesu Cristo naman ang pinupuri natin, ibang Yesu Cristo naman ang pinaniniwalaan natin noon. Sunod, di ba, Jesus' divinity and humanity secure our salvation. Ang sinasabi dito ay Jesus, rather basahin ko yung verse na lang, no? From Hebrews chapter 2 verse 17 to 18 para mas makita natin yung malalim na pagpapaliwanag nito, no? Ayon sa Biblia. So for this reason, he had to be made like them, fully human in every way, in order that he might become a merciful and faithful high priest in service to God, and that he might make atonement for the sins of the people, because he himself suffered when he was tempted, he is able to help those who are being tempted. Alright, so yung kailangan dito na ating malaman, ang Diyos kaya magligtas pero di kaya mamatay, at ang tao ay kaya mamatay pero di kaya magligtas. Ang kailangan ay parehas. Para, di ba, maangkin ng Diyos ang kasalanan ng sanlibutan para siya ang managot para sa ating mga kasalanan, no? So, kaya magligtas ang Diyos pero di niya kaya mamatay, so kaya naging tao, no? Para siya ay pwedeng mamatay para sa kasalanan ng mga tao. Pwede siya mabuhay para sa mga tao din, no? Sa ganun, may kailangan din tayong makita dito na yung third teaching na Jesus empathizes with and cares for his followers because he himself suffered when he was tempted. He is able to help those who are being tempted. So, importante talaga na siya ay naging siya ay fully God and man at the same time, dahil nararanasan rin niya yung tukso na he can empathize with people, the suffering of people, the hardship of people, dahil siya rin ay nakaranas din nun. Kaya nasasabi natin he lived a perfect life. He lived a perfect life despite or in spite of na meron siya naranasan na tukso, no? Parang he cannot live the perfect example or live as a perfect model of humanity kung hindi siya nakakaranas ng temptation. Para yun yung kagaya ng sa doctrine of substitution, 'di ba? Kailangan ay makita yung perfect na, kumbaga nakikita sa atin yung perfect na pamumuhay ni Kristo, no? His righteousness in us. And in order to be righteous, dapat or in order to be righteous, you have to live in a way according to the will of God, no? And ginawa niya yun kahit na may naranasan rin siyang tukso. So he is human. So yun lamang. Salamat sa pakikinig at mabuhay.